Hello, my name is Robert Brewster. The name of this game is Solve It and Pass It. This is a lead-up football game for grades 3 through 5. This game not only works on football skills, but also math skills as well. The equipment needed for this game are footballs, a lot of paper with different math problems on it, or you could also use index cards and noodle slices. To set this game up, you will need to make several different lines or gaming stations. This way, a lot of students can be playing at one time, and there's less time for students just to be standing around. To set the game up, you will place one boundary marker down. If you're in a gym, you can place it somewhere like on the baseline or the sideline of the basketball court. In this example, I'm just showing one line or gaming station, but the red circle represents a poly spot where this group of students will start from. Next, in a line out in front of that poly spot, you're going to want to set several different areas up where you'll have stacks of, in this example I've got multiplication problems. You'll want to space them out a good bit apart as far as you can, where the last one will be still possible for a student in whatever grade level to make that throw that far. In this example, I've only got one down for each multiplication problem, but you'll want to set several pieces of paper down in each stack where they can go multiple times. You also want the stacks of problems to get progressively harder. As you can see in this example, the stack that's closest to the students is a fairly easy multiplication problem, and they progress to where the further stack of problems is more difficult math problems. In your stacks of problems, math problems, on the front side, you want to put the actual problem. For example, like the first here, you would put 2 times 3 on the front side of the paper and flip it over on the back side and write the answer. Next, make sure you put noodle slices at each station. These are represented by the multicolored dots in this diagram. And again, make sure you make several different gaming areas around the gym so that you can split your students up into small groups. As you can see in this setup, I only have 3 students, which are represented by the X's for this one gaming station. To play this game on your signal, the first person in each line will run out to a stack of problems. In this example, I have the first person in line running to the third stack of problems. When they reach that stack, they must pick up the first problem laying in the stack and try to solve it. If they get the problem correct, and again remember the answers will be on the back of the sheet. If they get that answer correct, the next person that's in the line on the poly spot will throw a pass to that person. If they catch the pass, they will reach down, and in this instance, since they were into the third stack, they will pick up 3 noodle slices and return back to their line. They will place the problem that they solved on the bottom of the stack. As you can see in this example, each station is worth more or less noodle slices. The harder the problem, which is also the farthest pass to complete, is worth 5 slices, and then it goes down 4, 3, 2, 1. Also, if a student gets the problem wrong, they may not have a pass thrown to them. They must place that problem on the bottom of the stack and return to the back of the line. A good way to ensure fairness in this game would be to have one team to rotate in that is not playing at the time around the gym, that is making sure that each team is answering or solving the problem correctly, and after a new round begins, then that team will rotate in and play, and another team will rotate out and make sure other teams are solving the problems correctly. Rounds will be timed, and at the end of play, the team that has gained the most noodle slices will win that round. You can modify this game by doing different types of math problems. You can do multiplication problems, you can do division problems, you can do addition problems, subtraction problems. Any type of math problem will work. When playing this game, students should use correct form. When throwing, they should aim their shoulder and elbow towards the target while stepping with their opposite foot towards the target they are throwing to with their arm up and release the ball high. When catching, students should have their hands out in front of them in a diamond shape and should catch the ball with their hands out away from their body. Again, the name of this game is Solve It and Pass It. I got the source of this game from YouTube. Thanks for watching.